Hi everyone, welcome back to the coding series. Today's problem is rotate string. Let's understand the problem statement. Given two strings s and goal, return true if and only if s can become goal after some number of shifts on s. Okay, so a shift on s consisting of moving the leftmost character of s to the rightmost position, meaning here if you see A B C D E, if you move this A character A to the right position, then it becomes B C D E A. So here A B C D E. Okay. If you move this to here, then it becomes B C D E A. If you move this again to the right, then it becomes C D E A B. Okay. So that's what this states. Okay, now if you see our goal is CDEAB, so goal is CDEAB. Okay, these two are same, right? Same. So return true if and only if S can become goal after some number of shifts. So if you shift this S, okay, two times, then our goal, then the given goal and S are similar. So in that case, you have to return true. Now let's consider ABCDE and the goal is ABCED. So goal is ABCED. Okay, and given S is ABCD. Given S is equals to ABCDE. Even if you shift this S, okay, it can never match the goal, right? So this is false. Okay, if you do, I'll show it here. If you move again this D, then again EABCD, and again ABCDE. So you, after few number of shifts, so here S and these are same. So even if you rotate, it will be same like this. Okay, so that means if you compare this ABC, this is not, so this is also not, this is also not, this is also not. So that's why it is false. Now let's see how we can solve this. Okay, so initially our condition will be if both should be, like after some few number of shifts, if S should be equal to goal, then those lengths should be equal, right? So ln of S, if S not equal to ln of goal, you have to return false. Now what you have to do? Okay, here what I have done, I am moving my this first index to the last index, right? So and how till how many shifts you do, till this our rotated and yes, if you see, if you think this is rotated, this is rotated string, same. So you have to iterate for rotate not equal to S. Okay, so for each rotation you have to check whether that is equal to goal or not. Here this one, okay, at second shift, after you shift, when you shift for the first time it becomes this, and after when you shift this again, you got this. So each, for each rotation, you have to check whether it is equal to goal or not. So for rotated if, we'll see what this rotate contains. Okay, so for rotate not equal to, if rotate equal to goal, then you can just return true. You no need to check, right? So you can just return. Okay, now what you have to, what this rotate, and so you have to initialize here also, right? So if you consider A, B, C, D, E, okay, if you want to shift these to last position, so can I write my rotate array will be, so S of 1 is to, that means from index 1 I will take all the characters and I will append to this to the first character. After that I will append for this S of 0. Okay, so in that way, so 1 is to means it will be B, C, D, E, okay, plus S of 0. Plus S of 0 means it is A. So it will be B, C, D, A. So if you rotate this, if you shift this first character at the last, so your string becomes this one, right? So I will write here S of 1 is to plus S of 0. Okay, since S of 0 will be rune or byte, you have to convert that to string of S of 0. Okay, and this slicing will be, it will be still string, but this will be byte, so you have to convert that to string. Okay, similarly you have to, so you will check for the first time, you will check whether, and how many, till how many times you have to rotate, till this S and our rotated array equal, you have to rotate. So now, so again you have to write, so this will be, this will be, okay, now this will be rotate. So yeah, so if you rotate this, we got rotated equal to, so we got, sorry, something, okay, yeah. So this is our rotate, right? Again you have to rotate this, you have to rotate here. What we have done here, first you have rotated this and you got rotated array, and you have rotated again, you have shifted this B to last position. That means you have to do operation on rotated array. So again similarly, so here it will be S of, it will be here rotate of 1 is to plus string of rotate of 0. Okay, that means what here, rot, so when you do this in the first iteration it will be, so in the second iteration when BCDEA, so you will initialize that to rotate, so it will be, so from index 1 to last index you will take that one, so it will be, it will be CDEA, okay, plus, and rotate of 0 is B. So that is CDAB. So if you rotate this, that means if you shift this leftmost character to the right position, then it will be CDAB. So we got right. So like that way, for each rotation, you have to check whether that is equal to goal or not. So if you will iterate till rotate not equal to S, then what you will do at last, if your goal, that means you, so the given goal is not equal to, even after you shift the what S to some positions, our like the given goal is not equal to S, right? So what you have to return false. So that's it, guys. So yeah, now I will show you the code. So if you see here, I'll just copy this. Okay, just keep it here. Same. First, I have uh, checked whether len of s is not equal to len of goal. Then it will be false. Then you have to check whether s is equal to goal. If it is equal to goal, then it is true. Then you have to initialize one rotated array, then sorry, rotated string. Then you have to check for each rotation whether our goal is not whether our rotated string is equal to goal or not. If it is yes, then you have to return true, or else you have to rotate again the rotated string like that. So in that way, you have to iterate till rotated not equal to s. So then at the end, you have to return false. Okay, now let's submit this. Let's run. Okay, now let's submit. See, all test cases are passed. That's all for today's case. If you have any questions, please do add in the comment section. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.